last we saw, the cancer cell was revealed, and her shoelace broke, and she's very unlucky and cancer. I want to show you how cool the cancer cell looked. Back, this is the cancer episode. Last we left off, they were going to visit the place where the cancer cells are proliferating. Also, I realized that Flipgrid actually subtitles for you, and it's not the best, but it's pretty good, so at least that's good. I didn't want to be rude to people of hard of hearing, but I didn't have time to subtitle everything, so I'm glad of that. Also, little note, I have Mandarin, and I know that Mandarin and Japanese are not the same, but a lot of the letters or characters are. This means up, this means down. Okay, let's continue. They discover it. Oh yeah, they list the mutations. My goodness. Get destroyed by the cancer cell because he's so strong. Well, cancer cells will have this thing where they steal all the nutrients from the blood cells by hooking up with blood vessels. So this is how they portray it. They show these red blood cells delivering a whole hunk of nutrition, which is the food, to the massive cancer. They don't know why they're doing it, but it's a lot. We can see here. See, look at all of that food that they're giving to the cancer cell. Here we show the cancer cells, or they show the cancer cells getting sniffed up by the immune system and killing them. And I think I read a really interesting post. They're not making us sympathetic for the actual cancer, the disease, the cell itself. They're not making us pity it, but they're showing us how horrible cancer itself is, turning a bunch of normal, innocent cells into these evil things that the body has to kill. Like, the body didn't ask for this. Those cells didn't ask for this. It's not like they're happy. Talking about how this is a tragedy, like cancer situation itself. How it's a tragedy for whoever it is. Actually a really cool detail. Look at this. Conclusion may reduce stress and improve NK cell activity and can lead to decreased disease. Oh no. It basically helps you with cancer and stuff. That is so cool. So when you laugh, it reduces stress, and when you reduce stress, it increases NK cell activity, which is why NK cell is activated and revitalized by laughter. That is actually really cool. Correction, I looked into that study more, and I saw that the subjects were 33 healthy adult females, so that's kind of a very small subset. I'm talking about the laughter NK things. I don't know how true that is, and I found another study that found that wasn't that much of an increase, but still, that is quite a nice detail. Moment in the episode where he gives, the white blood cell gives cancer cell a moment to be heard out, kind of showing us again this tragedy that cancer is, allowing your normal cells to be mutated and turn into something evil that they don't want to be. It's not their fault that they're this way. We have to kill them anyway. Cancer is a really horrible disease. That's what this is showing us.